Good morning again, guys. This is Ms. Vanna. We're back to you with another math module opener. Today we are learning about how to estimate in centimeters. Last week we learned how to measure and estimate in inches and feet. Right, and yards. We even use our yardstick, right, to estimate how many yards there are, and how many feet are in those yards, and how many inches. We did a whole bunch of that last week. This week, however, we're going to go into estimating centimeters first. So let's start, guys. So like I said, last time we were measuring, being exact some days, and estimating on other days. Now, when they say measure, they mean take out that ruler or other measuring tape, some kind of measurement material to measure exactly and precisely. But when they say to estimate, or when they say something like about, because about means around, about, it's not exact. When they say that, that's the clue. I need to estimate, right? So there, we don't need to use our ruler in this problem because it says the crayon is about 3 inches long. Okay, now we know that the crayon is 3 inches. Yeah. Now we need to know what else this says. It says the leaf is about 4 inches long. So you are 4 inches. Ooh. And then the next part of the sentence says, problem, draw a line that is about 2 inches long. So now we have a rough estimate of what 3 inches looks like. We know what 4 inches looks like. We want to draw a line that's 2 inches. So how do we do that? We will start by taking out our pen and making a line as straight as we can. Oh, it's not perfect, but it is what it is. Let's draw the beginning and then the end of the crayon. So we have our best estimate of what 3 inches looks like. Now we're going to chop it up. So we have 3 inches in here. Let's chop this guy. We're going to chop him, I'd say like right about here and then here. Again, not perfect, just as best as you can do because this is an estimating thing. So let's go again. This is 1 inch, this is 2 inches, this is 3 inches, 0. Okay, so now I want to draw something that's only 2 inches, but I don't have a ruler. But I did something here and I chopped it up into the inches that it could probably be that looks the best to me. And now I'm going to draw my line based on that. Let's not do pink, we already did that one, let's do green. Okay, so our line should start about here and go about there. This is my line. So here's my answer. That's my line. It's about 2 inches long, right? 1 inch, 2 inches. Blink. Okay, so let's go to the next page. So far, so good. Sorry for the delay.
Spark your learning. Marco wants to find objects with a length of 10 unit cubes or fewer to fit in a pencil box. Use 10 unit cubes and a piece of string. How does the length of the 10 unit cubes help you find what can fit in Marco's pencil box? How can you use the string?
All right, so how does the length of the 10 unit cubes help you find what can fit in Marco's pencil box? So Ms. Vanover measured out these handy dandy strings, and they are 10 cubes long, 10 unit cubes long, and we will use them to measure things. So first of all, let's take a pencil box. He's trying to find things that are going to fit inside of a pencil box that's about 10 unit cubes. So we're trying to find things that would fit in it. So let's first measure what that's going to look like. So let's see here. This is what he wants to fit in the pencil box, but unfortunately, what happens to it? It's not, oh, we love all this space here. Oh my gosh, right? This is too big. This is too big. It won't fit because it's too long And our pencil box is only as long as the blue string. So will this box fit inside of the pencil box? No, it won't. Darn. Okay, let's see. So how can we use the string? Just like Miss Vanover did. So we're going to use our string and we're going to go around and we're going to measure the things that would fit in the pencil box. Something that's 10 unit cubes long. And that's going to be our job. So let's see. I think I might find, here's one. Got something. Perfect. So here is our paper clip and our measuring string. So here, will this fit inside of the pencil box? Yes, it will. Indeed, it sure will. All right, so how can we use the string? We did it. We did it. So it says, think about the objects you found with a length of 10 unit cubes or fewer. Choose an object that could fit in Marco's pencil box using the string to measure. Then choose an object that would not fit in his pencil box. A blank can fit in Marco's pencil box. A chalkboard can fit inside of Marco's pencil box. No, Ms. Vanover. Haha, a crayon sure could. Let's see, if I had a crayon to measure, I would show it to you, but we can estimate, thinking, okay, this is how long it is. And a crayon, I would say, is about that long or maybe a little bit shorter. So, yay for us. But can a paper clip fit into the Marco's pencil box? It could, but we're not looking for can. We're looking for cannot, right? A table cannot fit in Marco's pencil box, or a paper clip cannot fit inside Marco's pencil box. If you said table, you are right. Oh, let me click. Nah. Okay, let's try table. There we are.
Good thinking. A crayon is shorter than 10 unit cubes, so it can fit in Marco's pencil box. A table is longer than 10 unit cubes, so it cannot fit in Marco's pencil box. Turn. Build understanding. Roma finds some paper clips to measure, but she doesn't have any rulers. She only has unit cubes. How can you measure paper clips with unit cubes?
First of all, what is a unit cube? A unit cube is 1 centimeter.
Connect to vocabulary. A unit cube has a length of 1 centimeter.
How much is a unit cube? 1 centimeter. Let's clap it out. Centimeter. Centimeter. A unit cube has a length of 1 centimeter. What it is, one of what is important. That's why we learn what those units of measurement are. This question says, about how many unit cubes long is the paper clip? So we learned that so we're just gonna count how many unit cubes first. Let's count these out. So how about how many unit cubes long is the paper clip? So when they say about, it doesn't have to be exact. So if you see the paper clip goes a little over this way or a little over the other side, it's only a teeny bit because it's estimating. So how many unit cubes long is the paper clip? We got 1, we got 2, we got So what do I pick? 4? Make sure you pick the right answer. Be careful about it and check.
Great effort. Look. B. Remember, the length of a unit cube is 1 centimeter. About how many centimeters long is the paper clip? Blank centimeters. 2. 6. 3.
So when we remember what a unit cube is, how long it is, we remember that that unit cube is 1 centimeter. So how many of those cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, and there we go, 3 centimeters. Let's check our work because we always check our work in math. Check it times, maybe even 3 times.
All that hard work and effort paid off. The paper clip is 3 unit cubes long. 1 unit cube has a length of 1 centimeter. So, the paper clip is about 3 centimeters long.
So why is it about 3 centimeters long? Because each cube is 1. This number, or C says, look at for an object that is about 3 centimeters long around the classroom. We will do that in
Turn
class
and
together.
talk. How does step it out? 1. Use the length of the yarn to estimate the length of the pen.
Ooh, okay. So in this one, it says use the length of the yarn to estimate the length of a pen. So is the pen longer or shorter than the yarn? We're going to take our yarn, we're going to take a pen and try to measure. So we're going to put the as good as we can estimate, or as soon as we can to the end, and then we'll, okay. So can we, is it, oh, let's estimate the length of the pen. So this is 10 centimeters. Ooh. And then we're going to put that on here onto this side. And I'll say it's about half that size. So I'm going to say it's about 15 centimeters. Let's see.
A. Is the pen longer or shorter than the yarn? The pen is longer, shorter than the yarn.
Is the pen longer or shorter than the yarn? Let's see. The pen is not longer. It's a little bit, well, let's draw the lines. So here is the pen longer or shorter than the yarn. Here's the yarn. So that is definitely shorter yarn. And this is definitely a longer pen because it is about, I'd say there's even this much more left of it. So it's about double as big, twice as big. So the pen is longer than the yarn. The pen is longer than the yarn.
The strap. B. The yarn is 5 centimeters long. Which is the better estimate for the length of the pen? About 2 centimeters, about 10 centimeters.
So their yarn here is about 5 centimeters long. Which is the better estimate for the length of the pen? If this is 5 centimeters, how many more centimeters will it take to put the whole pen together? So let's estimate. Let's get out our pen. And here we go. And I just did it on my pen, so with an example. So let's just, it's about double the length. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need some more cubes. All right, so we got 5 here. So we'll estimate the rest out. Let's take another color. So here we go. This is about 5 more, about as long as this is, about as long as my next line will be. And we're gonna call box out next. So if this is 5 and we have another whole length of 5, what do we have to do? We have 5 here and we have 5 here. So let's take these 2 5s and, well, we have to put them on top of each other, which means to add. We're not going to take them away because then we'd have nothing. We're going to add another 5 centimeters to our yarn to be able to make an estimate of 10 centimeters. So let's go. Let's try that. Are we right?
Good thinking. The length of the pen is about 10 centimeters. The pen is longer than the yarn. So, the estimate for the length of the pen has to be greater than 5 centimeters.
All right, so we had to estimate that it was going to be more than 5 because we knew 5 was too short. So we would estimate that it was bigger than that, which we did. So woohoo for us, we did it.
I can.
All right, well, that is the first video for the morning. So I'm happy it went all well. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye.